most popular things to do. The balloons can go up to 4,000 feet, and you get these incredible views. They're so beautiful and so colorful. And I love that we went up with other balloons so I could see them and their shadows all around us. Wow. It's not until you come close to a cliff that you realize how quickly we're moving.
Love the ride. First time for both of us in a hot air balloon.
You kind of get the experience of everything. A great landscape, a peaceful ride, but an exhilarating experience.
We are slowly beginning our descent.
Cheers, you guys! Cheers!
Yeah.
Cheers to you!
This has been the most magical morning. The view